peso coin. Ask for the audience, of course. 20 peso coin. If wala 20 peso coin, just give me 20 pesos. 20 pesos! Go! Let me secure a chair. 20 pesos, come on!
Nice.
Okay, okay. Bisa ano labas ng 20 peso. 20 pesos na lang. Dito maiwat ang ano. Okay, may isa pa, may isa pa. Okay. Then, check na to, nanay. Wait lang, why ka pa 20 pesos, sir? Okay? This is your, this is your spot. That's verify. Nanay, kung may 20 pesos, di ba siya nakaptan? 20 pesos. Verify. 20 pesos. Verify. 20 pesos. Verify. 20. 20. Okay. Thank you so much. That ends our game. Thank you. Thank you so much for your participation. Charot. Charot lang. Okay. Okay. One was eliminated na. 20. Or 20. Okay. Get the chair na lang. 20 pesos. 20 pesos and 20 pesos. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Next. Give me a broken cell phone. Buka ka cellphone. Cellphone may buka. The nerd. Cellphone niya may buka. Go!
Go!
Yes.
Meg, buka cellphone niyo.
Cellphone niya may buka.
Hindi mo eh, minatawan ka ron ha.
Or buka.
Hindi ka ba? May buka raw siya.
Okay. Malinaw na malinaw. May eliminated na agad. Okay, wait and check tayo kasi wala pa ni mas may chance pa. Let me see. Okay, di ba ang bag ko buka? Dapat bukwan din yung tubong. Charot na. Dapat, may crack lang na eh. You need to know the difference, the difference between buka and crack. Charot. Kailangan bukon. Okay, bet, check if may buka. Okay, may buka and may buka. Pero, ang twist na dapat tugangan ang buka. So, dapat ilampos sa alimpuduhan kang ingon. Okay. So, natawad na karoon kay sinora din nga mga bunbunan ang waay pa na totally developed. Okay, so we have 4 of them. 3 na lang. Ay, okay, buhay na natin sa ka-chair. Okay. So, okay, next. Give me an old ID. Old ID. Any ID. Basta hindi lang valid is 2022. Old ID. Basta hindi valid is 2022. Anyone could help, of course. Basta hindi valid is 2022, ha? Okay. You can ask from our elders kasi gusto nila mag-help. Basta hindi valid is 2022. Hindi pa valid. Hindi dapat valid. Okay, 2020, 2021 accepted. Basta hindi valid is 2022. Old ID. ID with a picture. Okay, I guess. Let's see. Let us see if... Okay. Expired last January 28, 2020. Yeah. Okay. Qualified. Sige lang. This is no expiration, right? May expiry date. Wala. Wala ang voter's ID to expiry date. So, we have the chance. May chance pa. Kailan pa naging ID ang vaccination card? Ano gusto mo yung chikan, kuya? Apipingig mo, subong lagi? Gusto yan yung kuruan, yung mabukuhan, mabakunahan, apipingig yan. Ayan, ayan. We only need 2. Ang tunga magabado. Okay. Filtex, school ID. This is school ID. Guys, school ID Panini Magellan. So, this ID valid na siya. So, congratulations. You are, verified. Just for verified. To Gcash. Okay. Proceed. Baka proceed ka na sa next round. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Last 2. Sana lakabang ko. Okay, sana lakabang ko. This is a battle of 2 ladies. Beautiful ladies. Ang isa kaina, ID ni Tandang Sora. Charot. Kagahin dyan na ID ni Ferdinand Magellan. Oh, akala nyo may magsika na mangyayari. Okay. For the final round, give me a pair of socks. Pares ang medyas. Okay. Pares ang medyas. Okay. Dali, let's go! Pares ang medyas. You have to secure a seat. Okay. You have to secure a seat. Okay. Wait lang. Kailangan yung mayawan. Ay, kung medyas, hindi may makita sa audience. Medyas? Okay, medyas. And para magdaog ikaw, kailangan simhutan. Okay? Hindi magdaog ko ay simhot. Okay. Let us see. Hindi, joke lang, be. Okay. Medyas. Hindi na kinanglan, kaplan ka. Nakita ko medyas. Malinaw na malinaw. It's a pair of socks. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, our winner in a person of Tandang Sora. Sarot. Mabuhay ang mga nag-first communion. Okay. We have our, of course, my prize nila this evening. Hindi na pwedeng wala. So, we will give you okay. So, since you are the winner and at the same time as a token for your first communion, charot. Why ka balo ko nag-first communion or why lang, Shopee. Choir. Okay. Wait na, picture kita, Anay. Actually, hamot do afritada. Kasi maging photos ka mo din afritada, ay man. Okay. So, the prize is sponsored, of course, by our debutant, Alicia Pareñas. Receive the prize. Okay, oo. Sige, ako na lang isa, hindi ka man. Okay. This is gelatin. Iputangan na din para sa siya. Gelatin with milk. And this is, of course, a glass of chocolate pieces. So, ang medyas, ibinin mo lang din kay Karon i-trapot na para sa balahas kato yung debutant. And then, joke na. Congratulations! And congratulations to your first communion.